And this is the last time that I'm ever gonna come here tonight. And this is the last time I will fall into a place that fails us all inside. And I can see the pain in you, and I can see the love in you. And fighting all the demons will take time. It will take time. The angels, they